This is Caitlin. Welcome to the iResQ Helpdesk. Today, we're going to be showing you how to turn off FMI or Find My. When you send in your device for repair, Find My needs to be turned off for technicians to do thorough testing. To accomplish this task, please follow these steps. Step 1. Tap the settings icon, which brings up the General Settings page. At the top of the setting menu, you should see your Apple ID profile. Tap on the Apple ID profile bar to open your account settings. Within the account settings, click on Find My. You will be asked to enter your Apple ID password. After entry, tap Turn Off. Now your device is ready for repair.